Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can compress a file or folders on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Files, or you can open up Files in the app library. Next, we tap on the Browse button at the bottom. At the top here in Locations, open up the drive or the location of the files where you want to compress the files or folder. In here, I'm going to touch and hold on the IT Jungles folder. So touch and hold on that. And then from the pop-up menu, tap on the compress item. Okay, so that should go ahead and try to compress the folder. Now at the bottom here, you can see where it says archives. There is a zip file, itjungles.zip. So if I delete that file and do it again, you can see touch and hold on the folder that you want to compress. From the pop menu, tap on compress. And down here, you can see it will start to compress the file. And that's it. So that is how you can compress a folder. So you can see here, if every time I tap on that zip file, it will try to decompress and extract the files as IT Jungles number 2, and in there, in that folder, it will show us all the files within it. So because all this folder I do not need, so I'm going to remove those extracted folders. And that is how you can compress a folder. To compress a file, it is very similar. You touch and hold on the file, then tap on compress, and down at the bottom it will show you the compressed file. Now to compress multiple files, what you want to do is tap on the option at the top, and then tap on the select button. Now we can select one or multiple items. So you can select one multiple items. I'm going to show them as list here. So I'm just trying to find a way to multiple select these items. So if I tap on select, normally we can simply touch and then just drag it along. It doesn't look like you're allowed to drag multiple items. There is a select all button at the top which allows you to select all. Well, I'm just trying to use a method where you can touch and then drag and then you can select multiple items. It doesn't appear to work in files, so you need to go in and manually select the items that you want to select. Once you have selected the items that you want to compress, tap on the more button at the bottom here, and then in here tap on the compress. Sorry, I pressed on the wrong button. It will rotate the photos instead. And then tap on the compress button. And down at the bottom here, you can see it shows archive. And if I tap on that, it will try to extract the files as a new folder. And that is how you can compress a folder or a file on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.